Hello, I'm Marshall. I'm the Senior Project Manager at Downer Energy. Today, I'm an interviewer and we're going to go and have a chat to someone who's very important at our Seaview office here in Lower Hutt. Hello, Helen. Would you like to come and have a chat?
Sure.
I understand that during your 14 years here, you've managed to incorporate some of your personal interests and passions with your role here at Downer. Can you tell me about that?
Well, Downer are very big on well-being for the people, very people-orientated and safety. So well-being and safety are two big key parts at Downer. They want people to want to come to work and they want them to go home in the evening. So outside of work, I actually teach at a gym, so that my passion is keeping fit and well and bringing this into the workplace. Both combined together make a really nice combination for myself to be able to bring both in and outside of work to the people, because that's what the business is all about. Without the people, you don't have a business.
That's excellent, and I can vouch for that because I've participated in some of your weight loss challenges and the fitness challenges, and it's fun too.
The people need to keep themselves well so they can come to work, and some guidance and even little wee tidbits, just getting enough sleep, resting. That's probably the most major thing that we need in life, and with the last 2 years with COVID, no one's going to save you. You can only do what you can, plus getting outside help and support. And the challenges brings a different dimension into the office, and it's fun and it's a bit of banter, and there's a personal achievement, but overall there's an achievement for a group and getting to know each other a little bit. It's things I didn't know about you. There you go, a bit of a challenge, maybe in more ways than one, but it's just getting to know who you're working with, and that makes a better team for you wanting to come to work, and you are like a family at the end of the day.
Thanks, Helen, and certainly you're a big part of why I want to come to work each day too,
Thanks.
so thank you very much.